Okay, there is what it looks like at night. I'm going to go out here and we will see. Hey guys, the good folks over at Hiseeu sent me over a 4-pack of security cameras. We're going to get it opened up, see what we get, and then we're going to get them put up and see how well they work. So stick around. Okay, I have 2 of the cameras going, as you see right here. Now, I'm going to show you how to add these. All you need to do is open this up and turn it on. You know it's on, you got a little green light and it should do the auto calibration. There we go. Now it's set up. Was that easy enough or what? And you can change this. This is touchscreen. You can change different views. I think we went over that a minute ago. There we go. So we got 3 cameras up here. You can switch those around. Whichever one you need to watch. Got one in the backyard there. One in the front yard. Now we'll put this one out on the porch too. And there's the one. And you can turn that to adjust it where you need it. Your main camera, have it toward your front door or whatever. And you can kind of see how I've got that facing the front door. And that one's kind of facing the street. And you can pan these. You log in here. You got pan and tilt. It does not have zoom. Okay, let's turn this one on tracking and see how well it tracks me. Y'all can watch this and I'll go out there and walk. It looks like it's going to track my plant out there. It's very windy. Let's see if it'll pick me up and follow me. Y'all let me know. It looks like it is. I see it turning. So there you go. And there is a 4th camera that we do not have hooked up yet for the lack of anywhere to put it, to be honest with you. Obviously, I'm not going to keep these right where I have them. I've got 2 right on the front porch that we do not really need. You can see that one. Well, well, I showed you a while ago. It's right there. Don't really need it since we can watch everything right there. Now looking on the phone app, you'll see the 4 little squares. You can change that to 4. Or you can go to 6 screens. And that will load up the 3 cameras that we have currently going. If we had a 4th camera, we could go to 8. And those would load right there. Really cool. Really good picture. I want to look at this when it gets dark. So I'm going to pause the video here. And when it gets dark, I'll unpause it and we'll see what it looks like. I have our user manual here. Oh, your paperwork that goes along with it. It does come with a little tablet here for your monitor. You can watch all 4 cameras at one time. It's like all your hardware here. And some more. AC power adapter. It comes with a little mouse for your monitor. That's cool. our solar panels. There was 2 in this other box as well. Right down there at the bottom, you can see them right here. And our cameras. Dual lens. That's really nice. You can point one at your front door and one towards your driveway, however you need to do it. You have your micro SD card slot in here, as well as your reset button. All 4 of these cameras are going to be identical, so we're not going to go over each one of them. This is your mount here. You'll just push that out, slide it down. You mount that to your wall or wherever you're going to put it. Then you can just slide your camera on there, just like so. Of course, your antennas are going to be pointing up, like so. Right under here on the base of the frame here is going to be where you plug in your solar panel. You have a USB-C port as well as your on and off switch right there. Okay, looking right here, you have your motion sensor, your white and infrared lights, and your lens. Same thing down here, your motion sensor, lens, and your white and infrared lights. Has a built-in microphone and speaker, has a 2-way communication. Okay, now I'm taking a look at our tablet on the back side here. This is the front, the back, here's the bottom side. I'm just going to flip this up. Okay, you have your power port, USB port, HDMI port, your network port, and your micro SD card slot. Okay, real quick, right here is where your hard drive is. It's got a little screw right there. You can pop this open if you need to replace a hard drive or something. Right here is your antennas. Raise them up like that. Now, we're going to get this thing plugged in and powered up. By the way, the little deal we flipped out makes a perfect little kickstand. Plug our power cord in. Plug it in right there. Plug our mouse in. I'm going to plug in right here in the USB port. Okay, if you want to plug in your network cord right here and plug the other end into your router, you can do so. Or you can run it through the Wi-Fi, which is what we are going to do. Okay, they do recommend to charge your cameras to 100% using AC power before you depend strictly on your solar power. Okay, we're going to get it plugged in now and see what happens. Now you have your power button, your hard drive button, and your system button. Go ahead and get your mouse. Go through here and set this up. And go with English. You got multiple languages there you can use. Next, network setup. Detecting our Wi-Fi. This is a touchscreen too. Hit next step. Save changes. Automatically set time. Storage management. You have 929 gigabytes of storage capacity. Next step. See the live view for our cameras. Press the camera on and off button. We have the camera on here. So we're going to hit next. We have to set a password. And here you can download the app for your phone. I've already got the app on my phone from a previous camera from the same company, so I can skip this. And there we are. That was that easy. Then you can adjust your view. You have to log in, I guess, but you can adjust your view right here. You notice this right here is moving. This right here is the stationary lens. So that one is not going to move. There you go. Easy peasy. And it does have automatic tracking. This lens here will track movement. You click the little plus sign right down here on the bottom of your screen to add another camera. You're going to repeat this process to add all 4 cameras. You can power on the next camera and carry on. You can set this up however you would like. Once you have all your cameras hooked up and ready to go, you go into your system setup. You have general setup, network, account, camera, diagnosis, help and support, date and time, storage setup, and you can reset it all. Pretty nice. Once you have your other camera set up, you can go into individual cameras and set them up however you would like. Now there is a QR code as you saw on the screen or in the user guide, and you can scan that with your phone and install the app on your phone so you won't have to depend on your monitor here. It's going to look something like that. Once you get this app installed, you'll be able to hit the little plus sign up here and be able to add your camera down there and start scanning. And on the back of the monitor, there was a QR code. You can scan that and it will say successful. And here you go. You can enter your password. I'm getting notifications already from the camera. And since we don't have any other setup, we have this camera here going, and we're seeing the back of my phone there. Anyway, it's that easy. Not a problem at all. Now, I'm going to get a couple of these cameras set up so we can kind of get a visual of how well it looks. It's a cloudy, dreary day, but we'll be able to see some kind of quality there. Okay, there is what it looks like at night. I'm going to go out here and we will see. Should be able to see me down there, and right here, as soon as I get out here, should be able to see me here. Hi, y'all. Let's see if this camera down here tracks me. Now, when you got this many cameras, you really don't need it tracking, but that option is there. Let's see. Yeah, it's following me. I see it moving. But anyway, this is what it looks like. Okay, something that I didn't notice, but I just checked it, and if you'll notice, nothing's moving. It's like it's asleep. But I did walk out on the back porch and was recording. Come back in here and watch my recording. So it is automatically kicking on and activating. You saw the car go by right there just now. So while it kind of sleeps, when it does detect motion, it automatically starts displaying it here. So that's really cool. And if you want to wake all of them up at the same time, there's a play button right there. And you see, it will wake them all up. But they go to sleep to help conserve power. That's a pretty cool feature. I wanted to double check and make sure that came on. And it did. So I'll show you right here. Well, I'll tell you what, guys, if you are looking for a really nice security camera system, you might want to check this one out. I'm thoroughly impressed. I really like it. So far, definitely a thumbs up in my book. And if you want to check it out for yourself, I'll put a link down in the description where you can do so. Also, if you want to check out some more home security products such as this, you might check this playlist right over here. Maybe something else in there that you would be interested in. Hey, I appreciate you watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.